This is quite unbelievable. Yes, guys! Well everyone, welcome back to another fishing adventure in and around Barcelona. I'm super early in the morning. Autumn has started, so I'm after River Pike and River Perch as well. I'm gonna try walk the dog topwater for these predators. Come with me, I think that's gonna be good. Oh. Ferocious little jack. All right, it's bleeding a little bit, so just let him go. Yeah. This is another small-ish pike. I don't know, is it another pike that follows him? Super ferocious. Tiny river pike. Little dude. Right in the scissor. No. Sorry, dude. All right, baby. Whoops.
After watching back the drone footage, I realized how fascinating pike behavior is. I added some contrast and zoomed in to see what's really happening. When the lure hits the water, a group of pike like velociraptors from Jurassic Park starts surrounding it. But interestingly, it's the furthest one that wins the race to strike first, probably because of that built-in urgency to compete for food. The failed attack seems to confuse the others for a moment, but it doesn't last. A few seconds later, the commotion of the walk the dog lure hijacks another pike from its path. Boom! It's hooked, and yet another follows, carefully watching what happens next. I'm no fish biologist, but I love observing fish and trying to piece together their behavior. Even looking at the first group, they move like a pack of wolves, calm, coordinated, completely fearless. It was amazing to see how active the pike were that morning. Just before I caught this one, there was another strike on the opposite bank. These are all jacks, of course, and they behave differently from big, mature pike. But I hope most of them survive the winter, the cormorants, the otters, and us humans too, so I can meet them again in the seasons to come.
So unfortunately the wind has picked up a little bit, which was kind of expected. That was the end of the topwater fishing for today, so I'm just gonna try to catch perch with like these tiny little black soft lure. Let's see. Yes. What are you? It's a perch. Smallest ever. But it's beautiful. Look how angry he is. Beautiful little perch. Thanks for coming. Yes! I hope it's a perch. No, it's another small pike. It's okay. It would have been so much nicer if you were a perch. Whee. Well, it is what it is. We can only catch small ones so far, but I don't give up just yet. Unfortunately, I lost my previous lure, which was somewhat in the cards because it has a treble hook, and I fished at the bottom of the river. That's okay. Got something new, still on my light rod. I picked this one purposefully this time because I knew I have to cast long with lighter lures. Spinning rod is just better for that. If you like what you see so far, please give me a like and consider subscribing if you haven't done it already. Stick with me. One way or another, we will get something decent or exciting, as I should say, as we usually do. All right, let's get back into that. Uh-oh. There are a couple of boulders underneath, so this is a very exciting part. Hopefully there's going to be a feeding fish. Ooh, Jesus, that went further than I thought. Yes! Ah, that's another pike, and another small pike. Well, this one looks incredibly beautiful. I mean, all the pikes that we had so far were beautiful, but I think this is the most beautiful so far. Ooh, Gordy. So the only thing that I could do is the guiding through the lure. And yep, got my lure back and he's free to go. He's there, he's fine. All right, quick retie and continue. Yes, there's the perch. Nice one, Gordy. Yeah. Tiny, but I'm happy about it. It's so tiny, but it looks super angry. Ah, great little perch. Send your granddad, please. Oh, again. What are you doing? Oh, that's an asp. Oh, fantastic. Incredible bite. An asp again, like last time. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna put it up there. Oh, yeah. The flat shed again, time after time it proves itself, and here is our lovely little asp. Yes, I emphasize the little, but I don't care because that's an asp. I love it, and I don't know how much you could see it on the rod. The bite is just so ferocious. Thanks, Gordy. Oh, there's all sorts of direction. Fantastic. I put it on flat shed because it's bigger. It's way bigger than the previous lures that I used, except for the Topwater. So I thought maybe I can select bigger fish. Not today. So far, not today. And I don't have too much time left. Wish me luck. I decided to go back, change tactique, collect my net. Yay! Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow! This is quite unbelievable. Yes, guys! Absolutely fantastic. I caught the best fish of the session and my camera wasn't on. Believe it or not, but look at this beautiful trout. It is somewhat 40 centimeters, that's for sure, and this is the best fish of the session. If you like, please give me a like and consider subscribing if you haven't done it already. Let this one go. It was at least action-packed. We managed to catch a perch and a pike as we intended to do, but funny thing is the biggest fish of the day was a trout, a beautiful brownie, this dark golden color with red dots on it. Absolutely fantastic. Many thanks for stopping by. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. I have many more videos for you and see you in the next one. Take care. Adios. Bye bye.